Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. Nice day today. Had both nice volume and then this nice price action. What was impressive about the volume was being the last day of '09. You wouldn't expect, there to be an increase in volume like this, but clearly you can see by looking at this volume bar and then comparing that to all these significantly bigger here, and along with the nice volume, we had the nice corresponding green price action. So bullish on all fronts, both volume and price action. So a nice way to end 2009 and head into the new year. Chart's going to be pretty basic, just because a few things need to be updated, but nothing groundbreaking in terms of overall price movements. But the one thing I want to just reiterate is the last time or maybe a couple times ago when I did this, it was after this big nasty day here, and I made the comment how the Bulls would have to make almost kind of a once in a lifetime type stand in order to fetch off this big volume bar, because obviously this was a big down bar, had huge volume, and sure enough, the Bulls made a big stand, pushed it back up, and then once again are pushing it back up. The other thing that I really like about this is if you look at where the lows are. So we had a low here, had this low, and then this low, continue to be higher lows. And that's what the name of the game is. That's what you want to see. And in fact, I drew this trend line in here, which is this blue line, just to kind of give an idea of how the trend since right here in early December has been trending upwards. So really looking good and strong in terms of just getting nice upwards action and so forth. After such a bad, rough day here, it's slowly and quietly been going up. The other nice thing that I like is how this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average, has been showing good strength. Here it held as support, and then once again yesterday, price came down there and has bounced off it since then. So good to see that this is holding up nicely as support. On that note, the support levels for the chart are currently basically this trend line here and the 200-day simple moving average. It's held nicely both here and here. So if the price pulls back again, you're going to once again want to see this level hold, as strong support. Now, in terms of resistance levels, we have this level here that price basically touched today. This high was at 15. Today the high went up to 0.418. So close enough, but this is still the current resistance level that the price needs to get through. And after that one, we could make a nice run up here to either this resistance or possibly even test out these highs up here. But one step at a time. The important thing right now is maintaining this uptrend and hopefully then getting some closes above this 15-cent range. If we can get a few consecutive days closes above this range here, then I could see it slowly walking up here to possibly the 18-cent range, or maybe all the way up here to 20, kind of how it's doing right now. But overall, I can't say enough how impressive this was after such a big down day on such big volume, to then see it hold up, and not only hold up but continue to make higher lows. I mean, you look at this low and then the low on that nasty day, and there you have an uptrend line just like that. So impressive on all fronts, and really good to see that the Bulls were able to dig in and make a pretty unbelievable stand here. So that's pretty much where this chart stands. Like I said, nothing major in terms of updates. Just keep your eye on this uptrend line here and the 200-day simple moving average holding that supports. 15 cents remains the key resistance level to get through. And then, with a clean break of 15 cents, I could see 18 to 20 cents around the corner relatively quickly. And of course, a lot of that always depends on volume. I mean, if we're making upwards moves on a nice solid volume like this, then that's just going to be the quicker those price levels come. But overall, charts looking good. Still has work to do, but going into the new year, I can't really complain, especially given how nasty this day was. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is, it's all free, and it's worth checking out. We've been making some good money together. So sign up for it. You got nothing to lose, and come make some money. And then on the other note, I hope everybody has a good New Year's tonight. Be safe, and we will see everybody back in 2010. And hopefully it'll be a bigger and better year than what this past one was. So everybody have a good time tonight. Be safe, and we will see you next year.